Market said that's what the team go. He made it work when I was lost in the limbo. I used to worry in the past that I was there, but before I was 10, for the glimpse through the window. Now I'm soaring in the skies, but I've been low. To the point that I was standing in the kingdom. Now every song that I rock with my pen, I hope that you understand. Jesus is the logo. He was always by my side from the get-go. And he always got my back and never let go. All the times I used to wait for a sign. Every minute it was time, he was dreaming like Metro. So let us sing for his praise on my people. He set my feet on the rock from the people. You ain't gotta be in line to get the info. Spreading me so I can forget it to hit me. Tell me all my people are feeling it from within. Express it so I wanna because all I do is win. If I try to break it down, it's impossible to begin. Tell the kids from the block, the high still the same high. Cool it down, my problem on both sides. Take one of the bands to match my own drops. That one with the vision again, we get no five. Give it off to me, it's spread of my whole life. But let's get it to one, two. Tell them about the message you're doing in the pronto. From the States out to Moscow. All the Black Lives Matter, so God, I must go. I'm not in the rush, though, just bringing the God flow. My voice to the earth, the time it must grow. You know you stop living when it's said and done. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to 2021. Nothing can separate us in case you don't know. If you're alone, look up, enemy, I got it not for me, just to
Hello, everyone. Hello, good morning, good evening, good night, let's say, good afternoon, wherever you might be listening to me from. Okay, so Bitcoin dump, and that's amazing. It's so expected. If you're on my Telegram channel yesterday, you will not have missed out because I discussed on everything that it's actually dump, and it has been happening. Then it's actually really amazing. I tried to chat with somebody. Just woke up your family. Sorry. It's right now. Let's wait for others to join. Let's wait for others to join so we can actually start. I don't want to repeat myself. So let's wait for others to join. Okay, good. Please invite others so we can actually kick off quickly. Invite others so we can actually kick off quickly. Post the link, post the YouTube link. I think I'm going to copy the direct link right now and post it on the channel, on the Telegram channel, I mean. Okay, where are you? It's been a very interesting morning, like very interesting morning. Yep. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's session. I hope you find value in yesterday's session. I hope you don't miss out. So today, okay, good. We are live on YouTube, on Facebook and YouTube as well. So LinkedIn is sending data, but it's not connecting. Probably I'll fix that one later, but I don't want to take us backward. So let me know if you can hear me. If you cannot hear me, let me know, please. Let me know if you can hear me, so I will not just be talking to the wind. Let me know if you can hear me. Okay? Let me know if you can hear me. Can you all hear me? Just type it in the comment section. I'm going to get the response here. Okay. Let me know if you can hear me. Hello. Okay. I think the sound is out. Okay, good. Loud and clear. So today I see a lot of people panicking, especially for those that were not online when I dropped the signal on the Telegram channel yesterday. The Bitcoin is going to dump and you should wait for Trump and brace up to buy the fare, because a lot of people are actually going to panic. So I'm going to be sharing my chart right now. Let me go to my chart. Where is it? Where are you? Oh my. Okay, let's go there. Why is it not loading? It's not loading my chart. Trying to switch screen right now. This is not cool. This is not cool. Are you seeing anything? Let me see. Let me know if you're seeing anything right now. If you can see my chart. Can you? Can you see my chart? Can you see my screen? I mean. Oh boy, what's going on? Oh no, not again today. Black screen. This is not cool. Okay. Okay, good. How about now? Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Is it fixed? Is it fixed? I hope it's fixed. I think it's fixed, right? So yesterday, oh wait, okay, it's refreshing. So yesterday I did a video, I did a session where I taught you guys how you can actually be able to cash out, how you can be able to cash out the almost not the peak, because I don't advise people to chase the peak. Don't chase the peak, just cash out where you feel is actually the best place for you to cash out. You should know when the bull market is done. And I told you how to identify support and resistance and how you can actually be able to take advantage of it. So yesterday was when I drew this line, right? This green line. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Let me confirm that. Okay, good. So I drew this line yesterday to identify Bitcoin support, right? And I said the bull market is not over, in my own opinion. Yes, it is not over in my own opinion, but that doesn't mean the retracement will not happen, correction will not happen. Why do we say that? Let's go to indicators, right? RSI. Let me just indicate on RSI. Let's see what RSI is telling us this morning. So yeah, RSI is bearish right now, like currently bearish, like it's still bearish. You know, I said the last video RSI view, I said when RSI is below 50 region, when it's below the 50 region is an indication of a bearish movement. Okay, and right now we are below the 50 region and we see it's actually going downward. It is yet to be oversold. So somebody asked, is the drop over? In my own opinion, I expect more. You know, I dropped yesterday that I say I expect a drop for it. Like I actually expect Bitcoin to retest the 20. It is yet to test the 21 weekly moving average. Okay, let me show you what I mean. This is the MA. Okay. MA. So 21 weekly moving average, that's a pink line, right? Go to weekly. Yeah, this is our 22. Yeah, it has actually tested it. Good. That's finally tested it. When I checked on BitMEX, it hasn't. On Binance right now, it has tested the 21 weekly moving average. You know, I made a video a few months ago that I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually come to retest the 21 weekly moving average. That is going to give a confirmation of a bull run, right? It has a confirmation of a bull run. Like once it tests it and it's hold above it, we test the 21 weekly moving average and it holds above it. That's an indication that we are actually going to have a reversal to the upside, like massively upside. You know, Bitcoin has been going it has been going away from, let me hide all the moving averages so you can see. This is the 21 moving average I'm talking about, the pink line, right? Whenever Bitcoin comes and tests it, it bounces off. The last time it tested it was when we are at 9,700. It tested it and one stuff, and since then it has been going away and away and away. So I said, for this bull market to be confirmed and regulated, for us to actually have a good correction, we've been having dumps and it hasn't tested the 21 moving average, right? I've been having dump, we've been having consolidation. Like I said in the month of, that was in April, that we're going to have consolidation. If you check my last video, I don't want to go there so that we won't end up get this video, right? I said we're going to have consolidation in Bitcoin for the rest of between May, and the monthly candle for May will determine a lot of things. Let's see where are we on in the monthly right now. Yeah, it is bearish. See, I made a video when we had this, like we have a confirmation that if this actually go bearish, then we're going to retest the 21 weekly moving average, and it has actually happened right now. So I will not expect you to panic sell right now. I will not expect you to panic sell yet, not yet. Now there are two moving averages that confirm if you're still in the bull market or if you're still in the bear market, right? One is the first one is 21 weekly moving average. If Bitcoin tests the 21 weekly moving average and breaks and hold it and retrace back upward, right? Are still bullish. Okay, we're still bullish. Now, if Bitcoin breaks below and closes below the 21 weekly moving average, the next thing you want to check out for is the 200 daily moving average. Okay, let me add that right now. Let me add the daily moving average. The 200 daily moving average. Okay, that's nice. Like this, we're having a doji, but it's yet to close right now, so I'm expecting a downward trend. Right? I'm still expecting a downward trend. We're having a doji right now. Let me just convert this one to 21. Okay, yeah, you see, it is yet to test. The reason why I said I expected a dump to try to close around the 240 region is because we are yet to test the 200 daily moving average, right? Bitcoin is still red right now. We are in the month of May, and I said in the month of May that would determine a lot of things because we already have the evening star in April. April candle closed with evening star, and that is an indication of a bearish signal. But I said it is not yet confirmed, except that what happened in May will determine what will happen if you're going to get into the bull or the bearish market. But right now, as long as Bitcoin is above the 200 moving average, in my own opinion, as long as Bitcoin is above the 200 daily moving average, we are still bullish. I am still bullish. Okay, so for me, I want to place my buy order around the 39 region on 40 region right now for Bitcoin to actually dump there. Once it dumps there and it bounces, and goes back up, then good. It's good for us to go. But if it doesn't and it closes below the 200 daily moving average for the next 2-3, let's say a week, and it did not go back up, then we are definitely back in the bear market. So you should be you should be ready for that. So that's what I'm saying. I am not. This is a call to actually get you alert and know how to use your tools to be able to know when to take a profit. This is not the time for you to panic. We are actually Bitcoin is still holding the support right now. We are actually holding the support right now. This is not the first time Bitcoin will test this region. Last month it tested this region, okay, and we're back there again. So it is just testing and it's holding. As long as it's holding it, there's no need to panic. There's no need for you to panic sell. For me, I'm still bullish. I'm still selling Bitcoin to actually go up right now. So there's no need for you to panic. Okay, I hope you get the content. If you have questions, please drop your question. If you have questions, please drop your question. Okay. So right now, for me, the bull is still in place. We are having the formation we're having right now. We are having the doji formation in the daily candle. We're having is a combination of doji and what's called hammer. It's a combination of doji and hammer. So it depends on what will happen in the next. Today we're just 11. Today's now in the next 20. In the next let's say 13 hours. Whatever happens with this candle in the next 13 hours will determine the direction we go. Okay, whatever happens with this candle, this candle closes within the next 13 hours will determine where we go. So, but for me, I am expecting either if this candle closes as a doji or as an hammer, then the next candle for tomorrow is going to be a green candle. It should be a green candle. Then we're going to go upward. Or if the candle closes as a bullish engulfing candle, then it's still going bullish. But if not, if you actually give us a bearish signal, then we actually might go downward. But I would, in my own opinion, I would want Bitcoin to consolidate and test seriously. I want it to test the 40K region so I can actually enter and wait for it to go back up. So I hope you get the updates, and I hope you're not panic selling. I hope nobody's liquidated. I hope nobody's on his way to the village. So don't forget to trade smartly and like and subscribe. Please do like and subscribe and share the video. Connect to everybody you know. Thank you all for joining. Would go back to the Telegram channel. You can hit me up or drop your message, comment section, your messages or questions on the Telegram channel. I'm going to respond to them. Okay, hit me up on the Telegram channel. The link is in the comment section. Okay, or you can just search for Crypto Smart Analyst on Telegram. You're going to get direct access to me. So I hope you find value in this section. If you do, please like and subscribe, and also share with your friends and family and your enemies too. Thank you all for joining. Have a lovely day, or enjoy the rest of the day, basically, or night.